Привет! Welcome to my channel, AllasYummyFood. Milo says hello. How's everyone, guys? I want to share a recipe today with you of my favorite pancake, Blinchiki recipe. It's stuffed with meat filling and it's so delicious. I absolutely love it. I really hope you try it. So let's get started.
Now let's make the blini. In a bowl, add your eggs and then sugar and salt. Then you want to whisk this on high speed until your mixture doubles. Then you want to add milk and sift your flour straight in there, and then using a whisk mix it all again. Then add your oil and mix everything one more time and your mixture is ready to go. Make sure your pan is nice and hot and you want to add your first ladle on top and then swirl it around and cook it for a few minutes on each side. Your first pancake might not be good, but just keep going and then you will have a stack of delicious blinchiki. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on a picture and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Now we're going to make our meat filling. So chop up your onion nice and fine into little pieces, just like that. And then we're going to add this into our frying pan, which is already preheated with some oil. You can also add a little bit of butter if you want. So we're going to fry the onions for a few minutes until they're nice golden and caramelized. And at that point you want to mix everything through and add your meat filling. And then mix everything together so that you get sort of an even coating of your meat and onion mixture. Then you want to season your meat, add salt and pepper and mix everything again. Once your meat has been cooked, you want to add it into a food processor and blitz it until you get nice meaty texture, just like that, so the meat is a bit smaller and easier to eat. Take your pancake, place it onto your board and then put a filling inside. I usually use about 1 large tablespoon of the filling, and then you want to start rolling it up from the sides and the middle and then kind of keep going until you have a nice roll, just like that. You want to repeat the process with all the pancakes that you have and all the filling, and enjoy the process until they are all done, nice and stacked. And once you have done all your pancakes, you can either store them in a freezer for later, or if you're going to eat them straight away, then I suggest you preheat your pan and put some butter and oil inside. And then on a high heat, you want to fry them from both sides until they get beautiful, nice and golden color. Make sure you don't burn them, so just be very, very careful and watch. Once they're nice and crispy, you can serve them. They're so delicious. You've got that crispy topping, very soft inside, very delicious filling. It's really mouth-watering. Serve it with sour cream or any other sauces that you might like. And enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching.